Hi,
Good morning.
I'm leaving the shift, so I'm introducing you to my reliever and co-worker, and she was telling me how she loved Jamaican food. So I'll let her talk to you how she like our Jamaican food.
Hey, good morning. Yes, my name is Maria. I'm from South Africa. And indeed, I got a friend who took me there, and then he introduced me to, Jamaican. It was early in the morning. So we got a breakfast. Then I got a dish. They call it their national dish. It's really, really
Yes.
awesome. It's really, really delicious. Just try them. I ate national dish and it's got ackee. Something is I thought.
Ackee. Have you tried the breadfruit? Have you tried the breadfruit?
Yes, I tried ackee. I thought it was a boiled egg. They say it's a tree. It's a tree that in Jamaica I was like, wow. It's a
Ackee
tree.
tree.
It's really delicious. Try ackee.
Have you
Try
tried it with a
ackee.
saltfish?
Oh yeah, I tried it too.
So what did you eat it with? Was it rice and peas?
Was it rice? I ate rice with it, and it was really delicious. Just try them.
Well,
Try Jamaica.
ackee is our
Ackee,
and saltfish.
nice.
Roast breadfruit is our national dish.
Oh my God.
And for other nationality who tried it and loved it,
My goodness, I never knew. I thought I'm eating
I'm inviting you to Jamaica.
boiled eggs. That it was a tree. They say it's a tree called ackee, right?
If you come to Jamaica, you love our beaches. You love the suntan.
I can't wait. I can't wait to be there.
And then, have you tried oxtail?
Oxtail, wow.
Have you tried curry goat?
Wow.
I know.
And chicken, is it called chicken
Curry
curry?
chick.
Yes, I tried them too.
In Jamaica, we are a friendly set of people. We welcome all nationalities.
Wow.
Our beaches, our white sand beaches, something. Dunn's River Falls. Ooh,
Wow.
you'd love a taste of
I
Jamaica.
would love to be there.
Your boss came to
Oh,
Jamaica,
wow.
and she
Really?
had us to do it twice.
Oh my
Our boss.
goodness. Oh my God.
She
I
said,
love to be there.
what are you doing here? Your country is so nice. It reminds me of South Africa.
Oh yeah.
The people are so nice and friendly.
Oh, that's us. It's what we do, South Africans. Very lovely. Yeah, you will enjoy to be in South Africa too.
Things that Jamaican eat like the chicken foot. South African love the chicken foot.
We do.
Goat head and those things.
We do.
All the meats that we love.
We do.
South African like the meat.
We do. Yeah.
So, it's buy now for later. Those who are visiting Jamaica for the Xmas holiday, enjoy the sorrel, the gungo rice and peas, the chicken, the curry goat, and the beef soup. Enjoy, enjoy,
Oh.
enjoy.
Wow. Have a
Be
lovely,
safe.
lovely holiday.
Be safe.
Mhm.
Merry Christmas! Compliments of the season from Coworker and I.
Ta-da.
I'm going on a shopping spree, so stay tuned. Next video coming up.